In the last video, we created and designed our asteroids. In this video, we'll set up the collision handler so that our player will die when they run into the asteroid. Open the asteroid script in Visual Studio and add an if statement to the onTriggerEnter2D function, comparing the tag of the object we hit to the player, killing the player if the condition is met. Test this to make sure it works with the large asteroid. Then let's add a Circle Collider 2D component to each of the smaller asteroids, making the collider fit snugly around the outside of the mesh. Then let's test the game by shooting the larger asteroid and running into one of the smaller asteroids. As you can see, we get the desired effect. In the next video, we'll be creating the explosion animation for our player and enemy's death.
Make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the content we release daily. Thanks for watching.